Okay, just made the deposits. Let's go do some trade. Okay, I just placed a trade and the trade already pulled through. This is for 25%, so I'm gonna try and do another trade. I'll be right back. Okay, second trade in motion. I may have to pause this for it. When it's done, then we'll get back to it. It's not yet done, so I'm gonna have to pause this. Once it's done, I'll be right back. Okay, second trade done. So that's 50%. This is now $30. So I'm trying to do 100% and then I'll close. All right, so let's go for one more trade. Okay, third trade in motion. Let's see how fast this will be. Anybody can do this, but you see, you need necessary training to be able to do this. There are basic knowledge you need to have to be able to do this. Anybody can do this. I repeat, anybody can do this. So I want to make maybe one more trade and I'll be done. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm on my final trade. Let's see how fast this will be, because it seems to be going up. So I may have to pause and I'll be right back once it's done. Okay, it has pulled through. So now I'm with $53. Yeah, you may be wondering, I loaded $20, so I wanted to actually do 100%, but I've been able to do $53. Anybody can do this. Hey, but first you need to practice. Learn first, practice, then you will earn. You can be, imagine if you are earning $30 every day. $30 is like about 11,000 every day. Every day you're earning 11,000. That would be nice. But hey, first it requires you to develop the skill. Develop the skill. It's a skill. You must learn the skill set. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to practice, you have to lose, you have to learn from your losses, you have to make progress. God bless you, and I'll see you in the other video.